Hey guys, Captain Fatty here. I hope everyone is doing awesome. So, as many of you might know, tomorrow we have the launch of Project Restart, and I'm kind of interrupting that pre-sale, if you want, to let you guys know about this. Just today, a one-time shout out because one, it's not for everyone, but two, for those who are interested in software or going that route. This is a really amazing opportunity. So in this video, I'm going to show you inside the software. We're going to talk about all the upsells. We're going to talk about the pricing. We're going to talk about who it's for and what it actually does. And it kind of relates. And the reason I'm kind of interrupting my whole launch week for this is because of what I'm doing with Project Restart. We talk about 5 different solutions to actually making money online. Obviously, one of them is software. So I think it's really relevant. Obviously, I don't want to confuse you guys as well. But in a nutshell, it's from Andy. It's create hot selling software as a service without programming or without zero experience. So in a nutshell, Andy has been working on this software for many years. I approached Andy, this is 100% transparency, I approached Andy maybe 2 years ago asking him to buy the software off him just to use, and I wanted some of the plugins and the things, the apps that he created with the software included as well. And his price that he gave me was $4,995. It was basically $5,000. I was very close to buying it, but I got a little bit distracted. What I'm seeing here is basically the same thing, everything I was asking for around between $200 and $300. So the sales videos here, but let's just talk about what is SaaSet Express. So basically I needed to actually research that, and it is system application architecture. That's what it means. So it creates applications that you can host on your website, that you can provide things for free, they can do equations, provide results, make page builders and landing pages, etc. We'll get into all that. But case study example, how do you use this software to crush leaderboards? Well, basically, it is very true that if you create a software when you're trying to promote a product, you're going to win the contest because people are interested in software. An easy upsell or bonus to your PLR sales funnels. So if you're selling PLR, you could add one of the things here is the squeeze page builder and the sales page builder, where you can integrate that and people can easily rebrand the content. That, because we moved into PLR, this is what really jumped out at me this time round. Do less, charge more. Basically, fill in the blank automated templates. Create a software once, sell it over and over again, use it to build your list. Get more affiliates on board with personalized resources. There is a few things out there in the past, but I don't see many actually using them anymore, and it's really cool. For example, when you land on an affiliate page, enter your affiliate ID, and everything on the page rebrands. So the list goes on. Nothing builds a list faster than a software compared to a report. It's very true. Speed up your internal process, creating custom solutions that are tailored for you. So here are some of the things that have been built so far. Site builders, landing page makers, mobile site makers, calculators for weight loss, financial planners, WordPress plugin branding tools. I seen that and it was pretty cool. Headline writing tools, Chrome extension makers, report writers, PLR branding tools, sales letter creators, exit pop-up generators, and much more. Right, so can anyone really learn how to do this? To me, I was playing around with it, and I know if I was to dig into the training and study it, I would be able to figure out some really cool apps that I could create. So it is not that you're dealing with a whole lot of programming code. You just have to fill in the box templates, which I will show you. So there's a bunch of testimonials here of how it actually works. Now, let's get into the pricing of this. It's not actually for sale for another hour or two, but I'm going to, as I said, I'll be transparent. I've been talking to Andy here on Facebook, and we've talked about everything. So the main offer is $197 for the software during this launch special pricing. We talked about it yesterday. After the launch, it goes up to $497, but it's $197 right now. The upgrade, which includes 3 products that I'm just going to show you these here. There is, I'm going to hide the codes, but there's a headline assistant, which is writing headlines. There's an instant lander, so it's how to create an actual squeeze page fast. And there's legal landing pages. So you could spend a while creating these yourself following the training, or you can actually just upgrade and get these for an extra $97. You get 3 softwares built in, ready to go, and there's actually share codes, which is really, really cool. Right. The second upgrade, sorry, that's the bump offer, which is 3 products for $97. I think that's a complete no-brainer because having the landing page builder can be used in so many ways. It's what I wanted this software for as well. Right, one thing I asked Andy, and I actually checked it out myself. Let me just go back to the homepage. There is a manual here, and there is training videos covering absolutely everything. The basics, a quick tour of it, the settings, overview of tags, creating a landing page maker, enhancing landing page maker, example, making calculation tools, how I built a headline tool, PLR ideas, how to import a project using shortcuts. So there is training videos covering everything, and then there's a complete report manual here as well. But I asked Andy, he's doing 6 weeks of live training and coaching for $197, and it is starting on the 2nd of September. So this will be the OTO video that if you purchase it, you will see this here. And basically you will see live training on the 2nd of September, calls between 1 and 2 hours, and it will be not only on the creation of the projects, but how to get them to work to make real money. So that is everything. I think it's just someone who wants to get into software. It is fantastic. I do apologize about the banging outside. There's a construction company working away. Right, let's get back to the software. You've got a project list here. You've got up to 50 projects you can create with this license. These are how they work. Let's just go in. You've got the landing page maker, you've got the templates, you've got the tags, you can edit everything around, you can edit all the colors. You can pretty much do what you want. This is a template that we're working from, but from there, you can share it, you can use the iframe, which basically put it on your website. So I'm just going to click view and show you how this works. So this is a legal document that pretends enter the main URL of your website. So I'm not going to fill them all out correctly. I'm just going to show you an example. Click next, enter the name of the person, Kevin Faddy, click next, enter the email address, info@kevinfaddy.net, click next. So one of the things, postal address, people will want, Kevin, how do I get landing pages for my products or for my websites? Well, now you could be providing that solution on your website that anyone can come along, start creating free landing pages if you want, or legal pages, or calculators, or plugin rebranders, everything like that. So you really need to think outside the box with it. I think it's a fantastic software at a fantastic price. I think the options are endless, but you'll need to go in and look at the training videos and dedicate time to creating something. Now, the end result, guys, I really do believe it. There's so many simple softwares out there. Sorry, I think that's after pausing on me because of Camtasia. There's so many simple softwares out there, that create a lot of money within launches or make an excellent giveaway, compared to PDF reports or training video software have 10 times the power. So I highly recommend checking this out. It's available for a few short days at a massive discount. You have the options to get I can't even go back to Messenger, my things after freezing. I see why here. Okay, you can see the upgrades as well, that you want to get it done for your projects to $97. You want extra training from Andy, it's there as well. And I think this is important, and I never really ask an affiliate about a money back guarantee, but I think for something like this, it's not a $7 product, and it might not be for everyone. You might get completely lost. Do not be an impulse buyer on this in any way, shape, or form. If you think you want to get into the software route, you think you have the skills to do this, go that direction. But if you decide it's not for you, within the 28 days, there is no issue with a refund on this. Andy's a very well respected marketer. He'll be around to help you in any way, shape or form, and if you're not happy with it, he will happily give you a refund. So yeah, guys, it gets my full thumbs up. If you're thinking of picking it up, check it out. It's an excellent offer. If you have any questions, let me know. I can also pass them on to Andy as well. This is Kevin Faddy. Have an awesome day, and come Wednesday 26th of August, keep an eye out for our new Project Restart program as well.